WMT stock analysis and WMT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've done 37,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so I know what's making me money and what's not, the way of trading, what's working, what's not. With Walmart Incorporated, you know, like from a part after chart, I saw like the price tapping into my demand area, and I was then forward, you know, looking to take things up. But now the same thing is happening, but I'm not even close to getting my rules met. You know, people are just gonna assume that something will go up without actually like anything happening really. So the only thing that I'm waiting for is the price to give me this shift, and then once I see this double break, then I'm willing to take it up. If my rules are not met, then you bet I'm not gonna be buying. Like, people are just gonna overcomplicate it to the max, but I'd better stick to something that I know has been working for me. And what I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way consistently, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.